are two brand new Carrier central air conditioners at we're at some neighborhood that's still in the process of being built, and this is at a house that's still in the process of being built. See the compressor in there. I believe that's a scroll compressor. Alright. The serial number is 251-4E26188, and the model number is CA16NA048-A. It's got 3 blades, and let's see what kind of fan motor this has. Oh no, I believe it's a GE fan motor, and I just found one of those flags. On this one, the serial number is 251-4E01510, and the model number is CA16NA036-A, and Energy Star. Let's see, listed is the straight cool air conditioner, and it hasn't ran recently. I bet this thing hasn't even ran yet. This one also has 3 blades, and it is also a Carrier. So I guess that's gonna be about it. And real quick, I just noticed this. They have filter dryers on the line sets. So that's it.